Hello guys! Mother's Day is coming. So, happy Mother's Day. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In 4 days is Mother's Day. So, because it's Mother's Day, guys, we have mayroon po tayong binuksan ko na kasi matigas po siyang buksan. Mayroon po tayong paregalo. May paregalo po si Bana. May certificate po siya. Is natural diamond. May birth certificate. Birth certificate. Joke. Certificate po yan, guys. Do you want to see how nice is it? Oy. Oh my God. I just in love this, guys. We ordered this online. Well, actually, he always go to the store, and this time I just order because I pick by myself. Look at that. My God, nagbabounce yung diamond, guys. O, nagbabounce yung ano niya. Ang pretty niya. Gusto ko siyang sukat. Gusto niyo sukat natin? Saglit lang. So, yun na guys. Isusukat natin, guys. I love it. Ang ganda niya, guys. Oh. Maliit lang pala siya. Akala ko malaki. Mas malaki pa dito. Kasi, sa online, guys, malaki po siya tingnan. Para siyang quarter size. Pero hindi. Parang pini size lang yata ito eh. Ang ganda niya. Oh, look at that. My God. It's so pretty. Mine yun na, guys. Mine yun na. Mag-share kayo ng ano. Magbula tayo ng hindi naman ito. O yung ganda niya. Ang ganda niya. So pretty. Wag niyo tingnan yung mukha ko ha. Maano siya makinang. So yun lang po guys. The flowers is to follow. Kasi ayaw ko ng flowers kasi nasasayangan ako. Pero minsan nagbibigay pa rin yan. Nasasayangan ako kasi mahal ang flowers tapos hindi mo naman makakain, hindi mo naman kinabangan, tatapon lang. Alam mo yan? Ayan na. Okay, okay guys, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.